Now see, according to this question, we have a circular garden and we have to fence it, and the total length of fencing is 100 meter. Like wire fencing is equivalent to circumference of the circle. So we can use the formula. Wire fencing is already mentioned, that is 100. Circumference is 2 pi r. Then r became 100 upon 2 pi. Just keep this as it is. And already they are mentioned that find the area of the circular garden. So for area, formula is pi r square. So that is pi. Just put the value of radius. That is 100 upon 2 pi and its square. So it becomes 50. So now it becomes pi into 50 upon pi square is, that means we have to write 50 upon pi 2 times. 1 time pi get cancelled. Here it is 2500 upon pi. Now we'll put the value for pi. So that is 22 upon 7. So that becomes 2500 into 7 upon 22. We will cancel it by 2. It is 11. 1250. And we'll multiply 7 with 1250. So total is 8750. Should be divided by 11. Hence final answer is 795.45 square meter. In this question, area of sector is given as 25 cm square and the radius is given as 10 cm. So we have to find out the angle theta, as area of sector is equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Just substitute the value. Area of sector is given as 25. It is theta upon 360 into pi we have to take as 3.14 and radius is given as 10 square. 25 equals to theta upon 360. So 3.14 into 100 is 314. So finally we can find theta as 25. 360 shifted to this side, becomes in multiple. Again 314 is going to that side, comes for the division. 25 into 360 will get 9000. Get divided by 314 and your final answer is 28.6 degree. So that is your theta. In the given shape, circumference of the circle is given as 20 meter and we have to find the area of the circle. So first of all, we'll use the circumference to find the radius. So as we know, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So first we'll substitute the values. Circumference is given as 20. This side it is 2. Pi is 22 upon 7 and radius we have to find out. So radius is equals to 20. 7 will shift to this side. So that is into 7 upon this 2 and 22 will come in denominator. So by 2 we can cancel it. 10 ja. So finally it is 70 upon 22. So if we divide this, we are getting answer as 3.18. So after this, so area of circle is pi r square. So we'll substitute the values. Pi will take as 3.14. Radius already we found, that is 3.18. We have to square it. So 3.14 into the square of 3.18 is 10.11. And when we multiply this, we'll get 31.75 cm square. In this question, we have to find out the area of ring, as the larger circle is having radius 10 cm and smaller circle has the radius of 6 cm. So by this, we'll find the area of ring is pi r square minus r square. So first we'll substitute the value. Pi will take us 22 upon 7. Here r square, capital R square is the for larger radius, that is 10 square, minus smaller radius is 6 square. So finally it is 22 upon 7 into, this is 100 minus 36. Next 22 upon 7 remain as it is. 100 minus 36 is 64. When we multiply 22 and 64, we'll get 1408 divided by 7. So your final answer is 201.14 square centimeter. Now see in this sum, there is given a circle with a radius 10 centimeter and an equilateral triangle is enclosed in it. We'll get XO is equal to OY is equal to XY. And angle XOY is 60 degree. Property of equilateral triangle. Now see, in this we have to find area of segment. So for the area of segment, area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square and minus area of triangle is like here equilateral triangle is there, so we'll use that formula root 3 upon 4 into side square. Now see, further we put the values. Theta is 60 upon 360 into pi will use as 3.14. Radius is given as 10, so it is 10 square. Further minus root 3 will use as 1.732 upon 4, again side is 10. So here we'll get 0 get cancelled, 6 6 are 36. 3.14 into 10 square is 100, so it becomes 314 upon 6 minus, in this part it becomes 10 square is 100, decimal shifted 2 place right, so it is 173.2 upon 4. We'll take the LCM for this, so it is 12 is the LCM, so we'll make it like this. So further it becomes 628 upon 12 minus, in this side it is 519.6 upon 12. In both sides denominator is same, so we'll do like 12 minus 628 minus 519.6. So after subtraction we'll get 108.4 upon 12, and that is nothing but 9.03 centimeter square. In this sum again we have to find out the area of shaded region. Here one hexagon is given enclosed in a circle, okay, and diameter of circle is given as 20 centimeter. First we'll find the radius. So radius of the circle is half of the diameter, so that is 20 upon 2, that is 10 centimeter. Now as regular hexagon is enclosed in it, so its side of the hexagon is even 10 centimeter. So now see, for the area of shaded region we have to find out area of circle minus area of hexagon. Now see, area of circle already we know, that is pi r square, minus area of hexagon is 3 root 3 upon 4 into side square. Pi will use as 3.14, radius is already given as 10. Here 3 root 3 we can use as a 1.732 upon 4 into side is again given as 10 square. In this part 10 square is 100 multiplied in 3.14, that is 314, minus we'll divide this 1.732 by 4, so we'll get as 0.433, so it becomes like 3 into 43.3. So next step we'll do like 314 and this get multiplied and it is 129.9. Further we'll subtract this and we are getting answer as 184.1 centimeter square. Now see, in this sum there is given two circles and a semicircle is enclosed in a rectangle. So now see, for this first we'll find all the dimensions. Like first we'll find length of rectangle. Length of rectangle equals to, it is 5 times of the radius, so that is 35 centimeter. Again we'll find breadth of the rectangle is like diameter, so it is 2 into 7. Okay, so area of shaded region is equals to area of rectangle minus area of circles. So further we'll write the formula. Area of rectangle is length into breadth minus, for area of circle we can see here like there is 5 semicircles, so it becomes like 5 upon 2 of pi r square. Length already we know, that is 35, breadth is 14 minus 5 upon 2, pi will use as 22 upon 7 and radius is 7, so it is 7, 2 times we can use. Now see, 7 get cancelled with this, 2 get cancelled with this, and further we'll multiply 35 into 14 is 490 minus here 5 into 11 into 7, that is 385. Further we'll subtract it and it is 105. In the given shape, a circle is given as enclosed in a square and we have to find out the area of square as well as area of shaded region. First we'll find the side of square. Side of square is equivalent to the diameter of circle, so that is 2r, so that is 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. So area of square is side square, and side is given as 14 and the square of 14 is 196. area of shaded region is area of square minus area of circle. So area of square is 196 minus, for area of circle we have to do pi square. So that is 22 upon 7 into radius is given as 7. 1 7 get cancelled. 22 7 will get 154. So 196 minus 154 will get as a 42.